So this is the first of our Creating Conversations events, and really it is about getting people together to talk about how we can use digital technology, these new methods, to actually deliver our services better.
There's people in the room here from lots of different areas as well, which we're really pleased about. We didn't want it to be everybody for one sector, because I think we work a lot with young people, and young people access lots of different things. They don't access one thing, and that's really important for us. We never work to replace face-to-face, we work to get people to face-to-face as fast as possible.
If a young person cannot find the information, then it's of no use. If a young person cannot understand the information, then it's of no use. And if a young person cannot accurately act upon the information, then it's of no use.
The thing is with visually impaired young people is it's not just about what the technology is. Yes, it's there and it's available to us, but it's how we then use it.
It's not about the gadgets, it's about people and how they use things and what they want.